before the vlog starts, I forgot to like clean up some toothpaste right here. Look, bro, don't hit me with the lava stuff, the fire upon that stuff, the fish, the crawfish, lava, lobster. Look, bro, brush your teeth, and then when you do it, make sure you clean up properly. Shit's embarrassing. How am I supposed to find a wife like that, bro? What if my wife just not clicked on my video and was like, oh, look, let me watch this video. And then she see a bunch. Trash, bro. Trash.
Lemon on the chain with the V cuts. Lemon on the chain with the V up.
As you can read the title, I got money. We rich now. I'm balling on you, bro. Nah, not yet. But one day I'll be able to say that with pride, and then, you know. Bro. This shit is embarrassing. It's like right, ugh. And y'all would be like, yeah, my dog made it. My dog made it. But until then, hey, what's happening? I'm picking up right now. We're on our way to go look at a truck, man. I'm on the market. I am on the market looking for a tow rig to totally integrate to some events, man. If I'm gonna take my driving more serious this year, I'm gonna need to take my car to more events than just the firm, PBIR. I need to go out of state. I need to go to Gingerman, Mid-Ohio, Road Atlanta, hell, Road America. I gotta drive my car all over. I wanna go to California so bad. Link up with the mayor, the homie Nick Bright. Like, just, I wanna link up with all the homies in Cali and get that damn seat time over there. Streets of Willow, Button Willow. Just, bro, man. But will it be able to drive back? Probably not. So the goal is to find a good truck, a nice solid tow truck, pickup truck, daily truck. I don't know. We're gonna find at the gym last night. Me and Randy was looking at Toyota Tacoma. I don't know. We're gonna go check that out. The homie Dre working at the dealership in Stewart. We're gonna go check out the Tacoma, and from there we'll see what else we can get into, man. Win, 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 win. Hey, stop chasing that. What's up? You talking to like that? I like having mad motherfucker COVID out there. I ain't trying to get sick. You know what I mean? You got so much crackers for firecrackers. Don't worry about all that. Shit go off on that car. Alright, so we're at the dealership of Toyota. And me and Randy seen this Tacoma. Not it. Oh, that's not it? That's not the one?
No, it's brand new.
Yeah, this one is 35,000. God dang.
One of those over there.
Probably.
No, I ain't playing no game out here, dog.
Yeah, hey.
Yo, for real.
Talk to him, Dre, dog.
Out the door.
21.
God, relax.
Yo,
Man.
no. I'm gonna take care of my people, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna need the tour package, all that.
They already got it.
This is a towing package?
Look at V6. Apple Play, Android Audio. They already got it. You put a hitch on it, that's it.
And then the towing capacity is like
3,500 to 5G. Like 5,000.
16, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
What's the one on this one? What is rated to?
35 to 5.6 is on there.
Hold on. I know what you're thinking. You can't, no. Look, I understand. It doesn't make sense. If the towing capacity on the SR5 Toyota Tacoma, right, is 3,500, it's not gonna work. It's a clean truck. I could have got out the door, 26,000 out the door with 2 miles on it, but it just wasn't it. Think about it. 3,500 is the maximum capacity unless I get a TRD. TRD maximum is 6,800, right? Trailer alone gonna weigh like 1,000. 1,000 plus. My car is 2,200 pounds, so that's already 33, 34, 35. That's already max. Let's say I want to bring a spare transmission, spare wheels, toolkit, toolbox, or whatever. Weight, passengers. Dude, that Tacoma powertrain gonna be clapped. So, yeah, like I said, I don't know nothing about trucks. I'm just now getting into all this stuff. So before you go commenting crazy, hold up. I know. Just keep watching. Just sit in the truck, that shit nice. Dog, the new car smells, bruh. God damn.
We ain't playing out here, man. We gonna make sure my boy good, man.
Yeah, next Toyota I'll buy. I'm here.
Tell Randy what my Instagram is.
D car plug, we the plug, bruh.
So think about it, you can It shows you the appreciation value. So that's an 18 going for the same price as a 21.
Okay, so we back at Randy's crib from Toyota. Shout out to the homie Dre, man, for, you know, I mean, doing his thug dizzle for me. And I didn't know this, but in case you didn't know, a certified pre-owned vehicle will have a higher interest rate than if you were to buy a fresh vehicle off the lot. I didn't know that. Maybe you guys did. I didn't know. But yeah, we looked at a Tacoma. We looked at a towing capacity. The most on that thing is 3,500, which would be considerably pushing it. So.
With a TRD.
Yeah, the TRD model, the max towing on that is 6,800, something like that. So I told Dre, just like price out to see how much it'd be for that. And then yeah, what do you guys think though? Like, if you tow vehicles and everything like that, what would you guys recommend? My first choice is a Ford F-150. That's what the homie David has from Hybrid. That's what like a lot of YouTube dudes use for the trailer, which would make sense because I don't know, I think Ford has good trucks. But I wanted to keep it Japanese, you know what I mean? Japanese engineering is better than this American garbage. I'm probably gonna get blacklisted for that right there. But
Pretty much.
yeah,
My man will take you down.
facts. I'll keep you guys updated with the rest of this vlog of looking at potential new daily driver / truck trailer, all that, I guess.
You alright, baby?
Oh no. I get excited and start lying.
I can see.
Yeah. Yep. What's up, fam? All right, so hours passed since the last clip, and I ain't do shit. But now we're on our way to go look at some vehicles. Randy driving the boat right now. You heard? And how my car drive?
Shit.
My.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm homebound. That shit clean. Do 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 do, da da do.
Hey, bro, stop texting and driving, dog. Damn, bro, you a bad dog. See,
I'm
bro.
reading and driving. I'm not texting back.
Oh, that's fine then. Yeah, read and drive, bro. You straight. Long you don't text back, you straight, bro.
There you go.
My dog. I'm finna pull up in this, bruh. The Magic School Bus. Nah. So I seen this one on Car Gurus. This is pretty nice. I want something with black interior. $33,000 as is dealer warranty. That's not bad. Oh, damn. Definitely needs a detail. So we stopped down the street to look at this F-150. It ain't got no. It's a buy here, pay here. I technically don't trust buy here, pay here dealerships, but we just seen it to stop at and look at it. It looks like a 2017. That's what it is, right? 2017? Oh, 2018. I don't know, man. There's no information on it, so I don't know the mileage and things like that. But looks pretty solid though. Stopped that Nissan down the road from the last place. Look at some Titans. That one lifted over there. There's the one lifted over there. Well, I'll show you when I get back over there. Think so? Nah, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here though. Probably go to the Ford dealership, which is down the way. $60,000 to the Titan.
You got bags. You're not gonna worry about it. It's squat.
Oh yeah.
So they were already
Nice. This is what I would drive right here. Yeah. This is nice.
Eco Boost.
Yeah, it's Eco Boost, bruh.
You see the turbo right there?
Everything Eco Boost. Oh yeah, look at that. You see the turb ski, bro? Yeah, this right here is sick. This is what I like.
Get that number. You can take it and see what it gets you a price.
I'll take a picture of it.
For 2018.
Yo, if I had good YouTube money, if I was rich, bro, this is nice in here. I ain't finna go to jail.
Nigga, we're gonna steal it.
I don't know. Dog, this is fresh. This is nice, dude. I could own this right here. This is nice. Yeah.
And the fact that it comes with all your airbags, so you'll never have to worry. You should squat.
Yeah. Here we have a 2016 with 97,000 miles, 97.5. It's clean. Huh? What?
V8.
Oh, it's a V8? Shit. Back home, back at the crib, truckless, for sure. I don't know what to look for. I need your help. If you are a truck person, you have a race car that you tow, or you just love trucks, I need a truck. I'm looking at, I want a Ford F-150 EcoBoost. I really want a Ford. I just feel like Ford is like the GOAT when it comes to pickup trucks. I know Silverados are great. My price range isn't, it's not up there, okay? Like, I'm trying to buy a truck cash between 8 grand to 12 grand, maybe 15 grand, 14, I don't know. I'm just looking for a truck. And I need all the help your boy can get. Like, is mileage a factor? Like, how many miles? Is it 2012 or 14 or 13 Ford F-150 with a lot of, like, 160,000 miles? Is that bad? If I can get it for, like, under 10 grand? Like, I need help. I need y'all to cherry up and help your boy out. I don't want a V8, I want a V6. I need something good on gas, preferably an EcoBoost. I do want a Ford F-150. Just let me know. If you can help me out and point me in the right direction of getting a solid truck. I am not looking to buy something fresh off the lot with like 0 miles. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for something used, pre-owned. I know with pre-owned, you're gonna have a high interest rate, but I'm looking to pay that shit off quick. If I put on a big ass down payment, like if I put on a $10,000 if I put down a $10,000 down payment and the truck is like 16, 17 grand, I'm looking to pay that off in a couple of months with grinding and doing a lot of sponsorship. So if you see me promoting ice makers and random things, mind your business and buy it. Thank you. Please give me some solid advice on looking for trucks. I want a 2012 through 15 Ford F-150. Does mileage play a big role in it? But that is going to do it for the rest of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. I hope, I don't know. If you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I bought an aim dash today. Sweet. And a roll bar. 2 grand in debt. Holla at your boy. No stimmy check yet. I need that. Biden. Boss man Biden. Me need me stimmy check, dog. Alright, I'ma fuck with y'all. I'm out. Peace.